Hey, welcome to Hebrew from Zero, lesson number 3. Today we're going to talk about how to conjugate verbs in the past and about buildings, binyanim, in Hebrew. So what are binyanim or buildings? In Hebrew there are 7 patterns called buildings or binyanim. Each one of them can be conjugated in 3 tenses and in 1 imperative form. Those are the 7 buildings of Hebrew. Pa'al, pi'el, if'il, itpa'el, uf'al, pu'al, nif'al. They are different from each other in terms of some of them are passive verbs, some of them are reflexive verbs, some of them are active verbs. Right now, don't focus on that. Right now, we're only going to focus on the first building called Pa'al. Pa'al building or Kal building or easy building is the building that we're going to focus on today. Why is that? First, this building has the most verbs in general among all the buildings. 2. Most of the verbs for beginners are in that building. 3. This is the easiest building. 4. If you understand this building, it will be much easier for you to understand the rest. First, let's look on the pronouns of Hebrew. Ani, that means I. Ani. Anachnu, that means we. Anachnu. At, that means you, female. At. Ata, that means you, male. Ata. Atem, that means you, males, plural. Aten, that means you, female, plural. Aten. He, that means she. Don't be confused with the English he. He in Hebrew means she. Who, that means he. Hem, that means they, male. Hen, that means they, females. I divided the pronouns into 3 groups. The first group consists first person singular and first person plural. The second group consists second person singular and second person plural. And the third group consists third person singular and third person plural. Now it's going to be very simple. We're going to see each pronoun how to conjugate a verb in the past of building Pa'al. Each time we're going to put the 3 letters of the root in the pattern. First root, first shoresh, gonna be Aleph, Kaf, Lamed. Achal. That's the root for everything that's connecting to eating. So, let's begin. Ani, achalti. As you can see, I put A and A in the first 2 places to indicate the vowel A. Ani, achalti. Anachnu, achalnu. That means we ate. Anachnu, achalnu. At, achalt. At, achalt. Ata, achalta. Ata, achalta. Pay attention, it's written very similar to the pronoun before, to at, achalt, but the ta at the end get a vowel A. Atem, achaltem. Tem, achaltem. Aten, achalten. Aten, achalten. He, achla. He, achla. Hu, achal. Em, achlu. Hem, achlu. And last one and the same like hem. Hen, achlu. Hen, achlu. The second example gonna be shavar, shin bet resh is the root for breaking. אני שברתי, אני שברתי. אנחנו שברנו, אנחנו שברנו. את שברת, את שברת. אתה שברת, אתה שברת. אתם שברתם, אתם שברתם. אתן שברתן, אתן שברתן. היא שברה, היא שברה. הוא שבר, הוא שבר. הם שברו, הן שברו. The last example, we're going to use the root pa'al. Actually, that root gives the name for that building. The root is for doing actions or work. אני פעלתי, אנחנו פעלנו. את פעלת, אתה פעלת. אתם פעלתם, אתן פעלתן. היא פעלה. Pay attention. In the second spot, I put another A. That's because it's very difficult to pronounce the letters Ein, He, and Aleph without a vowel. So you can use and put an A if you have that. Let's continue. הוא פעל, הם פעלו, הן פעלו. Okay, so today we learned that there is 7 buildings in Hebrew. Also, we learned that the most important building for beginners is binyan pa'al, binyan kal. We learned all the pronouns in Hebrew, and we learned to pay attention that he in Hebrew actually means she. Then we conjugate 3 verbs that are example for all verbs in Hebrew that are in binyan pa'al. Also, we learned a really useful trick to identify the root of a verb. We just take the verb and we say it he in the past. And then we only got left with the letters of the root. Thank you guys. Good luck.